हेलो बच्चों, प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू दी Kick for Kids classes. Today we will learn about parts of body. Let's get started. Hair, eyebrows, ear, mouth, shoulder, chest, elbow, stomach, hand, thigh, knee, leg, foot. About face, hair, head, forehead, eyebrows, ear, eyes, nose, teeth, tongue, chin, neck. About hand, thumb, fingers, palm, nails, wrist. About